When you see someone having something that you would also want, the first thing I want you to do is bless them. Bless them that I'm happy that they have it because there's more than enough in this world to go around, but I would also like the same. So when I read the movie, I would love for you to start to look at jealousy more as an indicator in life on what is it that you desire rather than why does someone else have it, okay? So it becomes an indicator. So when you see someone having something that you would also want, the first thing I want you to do is bless them. Bless them that I'm happy that they have it because there's more than enough in this world to go around, but I would also like the same. Okay, or I would also like more of that they have. When we energetically look at someone and send blessings to them when we like something of theirs instead of negative energy, we tell the universe that, you know what, I like this, please bring it into my life. When we get jealous and create negative energy towards someone, what tends to happen is we are looking at them, but energetically, let's say they have a beautiful house and you want that beautiful house. We are sending out this vibration that a beautiful house is negative energy for me. So then instead of attracting it, you are repelling it. So whenever you feel jealous of someone, you actually repel exactly what it is that you want. If you want to start to attract it, start to bless that person. Okay? If we can move into blessing people, saying that, you know what, I'm very happy for them, they should also have it, but God bless me too. Okay, the same blessing that I am passing on to this person, make that happen for me too. And when you do that, you'll see a total shift in your energy. Jealousy is just our body communicating with us that this is something you desire. You know, a lot of us don't have clarity on what we desire. Sometimes my clients will come to my office and say, make a list of everything that you're jealous of. Everything that you want of someone else's. And that in itself is your list of things that you want in your life. We don't know our own desires, we don't know our own wants, but our jealousy is a great feedback mechanism in our life for us to know. I'm also, now that I'm addressing this, I want you to also know that a lot of people don't know how to handle when other people are jealous of them. Okay? I want you to have that same energy when other people are jealous of you, to bless them. Why? Because you know what? You are so lucky that you have something that someone else wants. Instead of getting irritated with someone that they are jealous of you, you should bless them because you know what? God's already given you something that other people want. I to say, I hope the world is jealous of me. I want people to be jealous of me. Why? Because that is such a big gift in our life that, you know what, you have something. So every time I feel jealousy of someone's, I actually just look up and say, thank you, God. Thank you so much for blessing me before you blessed them. I don't know what I did to deserve it, but thank you so much. So, you know what, that is such a lovely way of always reminding ourselves that, you know, things are flowing at us so effortlessly and so easily. The same I'd like you to do towards people. Bless them if they have it before you. And you can just say, you know what, God, I think you just want to show me what it looks like when someone has that. Now please give it to me also. And you do the same for the other person. Thank you, God, I already have it. Now let that person also have it. I'm a big believer of sharing my luck. You know, a lot of people in this world believe, oh, you don't give your luck away. I say, no, I share my luck. For me, if I have something, I want everyone to have it. Everyone. I pray to God that you do better than me. And you know what? The more I pray for others, the more God actually blesses me. The more I pray for others, the more God blesses me. I am not someone who holds on to my luck. Oh, I gave away my luck. Oh no, you can never give away your luck because your luck is your vibe. If you are wishing everyone well, there's no way luck will not come back to you. If you are not wishing other people well and you hoard your luck, that's exactly how you lose your luck.